Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to unbox and install the Dasaita head unit. So we'll be upgrading the head unit on our 2021 Toyota RAV4. I'm lucky that Dasaita sent this product to me. Again, this video is sponsored by Dasaita. So if you want to purchase this product, I'll put the link in the description below. So let's check what we have here. So first we have the model number, which is a little long. So that's the model number. And the box is a nice box. That's what I can say. So I haven't opened this yet. But yeah, so it's a nice packaging in a very big box. So let's check what's inside. So first we have the user manual. It's an Android head unit. So we have that there. Then I see some harnesses. Let me pull this one out. Okay, so there's the head unit in there. Hope I don't drop it. Let's be careful. So first we have the harness. A lot of harness. Basically this should be plug and play. So there's like a CAN bus on it so that the whatever's on the car stays working. And this is the main head unit. That's the main head unit. It's like 10 inches, I think. Yeah, 10 inches. It looks awesome. It looks cool. So with this one, basically it's very simple. The back. So that's it. So we have a GPS antenna in here. We have Wi-Fi antenna. We have an HDMI out. And we have the antenna. Got the fuse and the ports for the harness. So that's like a diagram on what we have here. So they're labeled on the harness. They are numbered in here. So with that one, let's proceed inside the car to remove the factory one. All right, let's go. Okay, so our last look on our factory Toyota head unit. So we're gonna remove this. So we're gonna access or remove the panel. So what we need to do is pry out this panel in here so that we can access the bolts or the screw at the back. I think we're gonna need, most likely it will be 10mm socket wrench that we're gonna use here for sure. So let's remove this by using our trim removal tool. Very easy on this side, so I think we're gonna do it. I'm gonna move on the driver's side. There you go. There you go. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clips. Now we have 2 bolts here. 2 bolts on this side. Yep. Okay. Don't drop the bolts. Everything is out. All right, let's move inside. Okay, so after we remove the bolts, just need to simply pull this one. I can pull it. There's no more screws, right? There you go. It's held by some clips in here. So that's the harness. You just need to unplug everything. So with this one, if you're using the XM radio, you're not gonna be able to use the XM radio anymore. And also guys, if you have a rag, just put it here just to avoid scratches. Me, I'm holding it right now, so should be any issues on that, but just in case. What we need to do also is we need to transfer this backing to the Dasaita. So you have to, yeah, move that one out, and possibly the clips, I guess, because I didn't see any clips on that Dasaita product, but it should be easy from there. So first, we're going to match up the harness on the harness. All right. Okay, so there's a lot of harness in here. So let's see which one goes where. We just need to match everything. This one looks, it needs to go here. It's gonna be a rat's nest for sure, because this is bulky. So this will be the antenna. I made a similar video on this one. If you want, you can check it on my channel. I'll put the link up there. Okay, so this is for the power. Does it match? Nope. How do you match? Does it match? Really? Huh. Do you? Oh, that one fits. How about this? There you go. How many wires do we have? So we have two more. Two big ones. And one blue. And one small. Okay. So this goes here. And this one, I don't know where this goes. So there's two more in here. I did not even bother to look at the manual. I think we need to look at it. I don't know. There's like 2, 4 basically. One blue. So we have this blue one in here. There's a black and white. And a gray one. So there's really nothing on the other bag to put in there. So let's check the head unit. Probably it's gonna be in there. Okay, so I got the head unit. Let's check this one now, where the stuff goes. So I don't see this plug where they should go. Okay, so it looks like some kind of antenna for something, because it's connected to this antenna wire. So I think that's for the XM. I think these are for the XM radio. Okay, so it's a rat's nest in here. Yeah, so with this one, I don't know where to put this. I think this is optional. This one plugs in here, but I don't have any of this to go in there, so I'm not sure what it is. But it's mostly for like speakers. So this means we're not gonna have any speakers. I'm not sure, but we're gonna check on that. And also, I'm not getting any power, so I switched the black wire to the gray one, so this one doesn't go anywhere. And yeah, so I just put it in there, and we should have power now. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Just have to answer that phone call. But yeah, so this one plugs in here. And again, this is the CAN bus in here. So we got our Wi-Fi antenna. And just for the heck of it, we're just gonna test it. Gonna shove this one in there. Just this temporary, but it looks nice. So let's put ignition in. Oh. Sorry about the beeping sound, but we have to deal with it for now. So yeah, it powers on. Ooh, okay, so we're getting the notification or the visual. Let me put the volume down. All right, so the volume control on the steering wheel works. Yeah, so it powers on. So we have the main menu here. It looks like Apple-ish thing. Huh. All right, well, that's a test. Let's see if there's, well, I heard something. So I can hear something on the speakers. Okay, if you hear that static thing, I don't want to play any sound now, but this wire shows something about speakers though, but I can hear something. Huh. All right, well, I'll double check on that one. So now let me clean up the mess here and we're gonna test it out, all right? Before I clean up the mess here, we're gonna go back to the table. We're gonna put the cover. So I'm not gonna really show you that. It's an easy process. We remove the clips, the orange clips or red clips from the original one. We transfer them here on the tabs, and then we unscrew the back cover and transfer it in here. That's it. So, all right. Okay, so just a quick recap here before we put everything together. So this one goes to the back of the head unit. This is the USB retention cable. This is the CAN bus. Basically, this is the whole harness in here, which connects to the factory one. Again, just match this one up. The gray one, this one. The power, it says 18 volt power. Is it 18 volt? No, it just says 18. Toyota high power cable. This one goes to the gray one. This plug also fits the black one, the black factory harness, which there's no use to it, so I just shove it in there. So yeah, so this one, it fits this one. So I don't know where this one goes or whatever this one powers. So yeah, so this one just goes there in the back because we're not gonna use that. So you're gonna lose the XM radio, which is the blue one here, and there's two small ones. I think this is for the antenna for the XM radio. So yeah, but everything basically is just plug and play. All right, now I'm just gonna put everything together, and yeah, I'm gonna route my GPS. I'm gonna try to put my GPS just on top of the head unit, or I'm gonna route it up here on the windshield also. All right, so I'm just gonna work on this. Be right back. Okay, so I finally installed this one out. I was rushing to put this one on because I need to use the car, and this one actually held in place without the brackets, because putting in with the brackets, it's kind of tough. It seems like they designed this without needing to install with the bracket, because it's being held by this cover in here, which is has some clips on, and this is clipped on there too. So I think it's secured in there. I use it, there's no vibrations, nothing. So now we're gonna go through the features. I'll make another video for that because I think this is too long. But let's start it. Whatever, let's go for it. So ignore that. All right, so that's the startup, and I need to lower the volume because I've used it. I already like connected my phone to it, and there you go. I want to make sure that there's no audio in there. So with the CarPlay, it is wireless CarPlay also, I guess. I think it's wireless CarPlay. It can work with wireless CarPlay or just the regular one, which I'm always plugged in to my cable here, which that one works. So let me plug it in. Okay, so now it's plugged in. So now CarPlay should load up. Hopefully. There you go. So it works. You can call, we can pull up our Google Maps. I might change the launcher on this because I use a different launcher, like on my old Android stereo. I use another launcher, but this is decent. I like it. So with this one, out of the box, my volume control works. The only thing that I need to work on are the forward and backward button when listening to music. Alright, so with this one also, what's good thing about this, I'll show you quickly here, is when I open the door, it shows on the screen too. So that's one good thing. Also with, hold on, with the TPMS, it shows TPMS. Not that one. This one. Kind of play around with it earlier. So if I go to vehicle and I go here, earlier it's over here. Okay, vehicle, travel time, no. I have it earlier in here, it shows like TPMS. So I'm not sure what's going on, but whatever. So we have TPMS in here. It showed it earlier, what I have, but now I don't know. So probably because the car is off. Probably that's why. But I don't know. But yep, but that one is good. We have that. I downloaded the Torque app. Sounds good too with the camera. Fcam is like forward cam, which we don't have. We can control it if this one to look at the back without switching to reverse. That's awesome. So yeah, I love it. I really love it. So you can do YouTube and whatever. But again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. I'll make another video with some in-depth review with this one. I'm gonna try to use it and I'll make another video about that. Again, if you enjoy watching this, please hit that like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching.